Hello, everyone. Mohammed here. Hope you guys had a beautiful day. I was in the background just, waiting, putting a couple of things together while I'm waiting for all of you guys to jump on. We have a full house here. We have a lot of new faces. We have a lot of, old faces. Not old as in old, but you know what I mean. So we're gonna go to Facebook. Let me just pull up my screen here, and we're gonna get this rolling. Where is the screen? How are you guys feeling? You already know how we do it here. Let's go straight to the Facebook group, and we're gonna interact and engage in this video. We don't use the GoToWebinar as much at all, so you can go. This is the video. I'm gonna answer all the questions based off. So if you are here, go ahead and give me I'm here on this chat here on this here. Give me here if you are here, and then we can see who's in the house, so we can get this going. Let the here rolling in. And today's it's really this is a really exciting session. What I have planned is a lot of you guys have either heard about TAW, and some of you guys have already set up your accounts and created your accounts, and even some of you guys have already upgraded to higher plans and migrated more than one website on your hosting, and the experience and the feedback have been phenomenal. But I've always received a bunch of tickets about it. People trying to figure out how to move their websites, and we have the live chat on TAW as well. So people really, people get that as well. They'll go in the chat and they leave comment, they chat with me personally most of the time, and sometimes with the team. So what I decided to do is, like throw this webinar that I call the TAW Team Website Page Speed Conspiracy webinar. And what we're going to discuss here, we're going to talk about page speed, very little about page speed, because we have something really nice planned for all of you guys attending. And I'm going to show you all the different ways you can get your website over to TAW to take advantage of the easy access without headache. If you compare it to other hosting platform that is out there, it's just like, we keep it simple. And I'm going to walk you guys through all the different ways that you can, move your website over, like set up your website and get things rolling. So I'm going to read the chat box here on GoToWebinar. See a lot of people in the chat here. Let's move the chat to the Facebook group. And now we're going to get going. As always, I always have this, document that we work based off. I'm going to send this to you guys so we can get that going. But before we get into the meat and potato, we are working really hard in the TAW Team YouTube channel, and the replay is going to be there. So if you are, you just want to get ready, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, so when the replay is posted, you get a notification and get things going. So this is the channel. I'm gonna put it in the chat here in the Facebook chat, Facebook group chat, no, in the Facebook post here. You can go ahead and click on the link and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with the replay release. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of minutes to do that while I'll go back to the GoToWebinar, and I'm gonna drop it in the GoToWebinar chat box as well. So if anybody all of you guys here are in the Facebook group. If you're not in the Facebook group, let me know. I'll drop the Facebook group link here as well in the chat box, so you guys can use it. So I just dropped the YouTube channel link in the GoToWebinar chat box, so you can just click on it and go subscribe, and make sure you activate the notification. So the minute that we will upload the replay, you can go ahead and watch it, because it's going to be very a nice session, really light, technical, but I'm gonna go with a very slow speed so we can make sure everybody is following, and do not stress much about it because you're gonna have the replay to go over a lot of the stuff that we're gonna go over here. So let's see how everybody's doing. If you got the link, let me know. Got it. Give me got it if you got the link. Hashtag got it if you got the link. Because I want to make sure that everybody's, already have that figured out before we move forward. If you got it, give me hashtag got it. So we know that everybody's subscribed, everybody's ready to go, and we can move forward. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, and if you are not in the Facebook group and you don't have access to the Facebook group, let me know. So just request to join and I would add you. Just copy the Facebook link as well and drop in the GoToWebinar chat box while we're at it. So if you are not in the chat box, boom, boom, boom. Frank, you say, what do you click in the Facebook group? Got it. Dwayne, got it, got it. Amazing. Let me just go ahead and boom, and put this in the chat. In the chat box. I have the Facebook group link also in the GoToWebinar chat box, so you guys can grab it from there. If you're not in the group, you can just request to join. So we have that figured out. Everything is good. A lot of you guys have already gotten it. So let's go ahead and pull up our page now, our workbook. Always do it with a workbook, so everything is very easy for everyone, So here it is. Where is it? Let me close this one here. And oh, I thought I'll open it up. Let me see. I might have. Okay. And can you guys see my screen? Let's make sure. Okay, I downloaded here. Boom. Oh, it was closed for some reason. Okay. So here we are. This is the different section of this webinar. First thing we're gonna go, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your website on TAW WP using a TAW theme template. And the second, what we're gonna do after that, I'm gonna walk you guys through how to set up a TAW theme, set up your website on TAW WP, even if you're not using a TAW theme template. And the last thing that we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys a way that you can delete your website if you already have it installed on another hosting and you want to move over to TAW WP. If you have your template set up on TAW theme, but you have not used it, you have not made any changes, and you want to move it over, you would be able to do that. And I'll walk you guys through that as well. And the last portion is the migration. So let's get into it. First things first, if you don't have a TAW WP hosting account, you can just go use your TAW theme login to just log in. You can try to do it now, or let me see. I'm posting it on the GoToWebinar chat, and I'm gonna post it on the TAW theme in the post as well. So you just need to click on the link, use your TAW theme login information to log in. I'm gonna go ahead and do it now so you guys can see it. So I open it, I clicked it. What I'm gonna do, let me log back out. When you click, this is the TAW WP website. You're gonna go ahead and click on login. So this is my TAW theme email and password, same information I used to log into my TAW theme. And this is my dashboard. And if it's your first time here, you're obviously not gonna have any website here. You're only gonna see add a new website. And when you click on add new website, it's gonna prompt you to select a plan. And all of you guys here are entitled to a free 12 months hosting plan for one website on TAW WP right now. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it open. So if you're on a webinar right now and you have not set up your TAW account, just go ahead and do that now. If you have an account already, give me a do. Hashtag I do if you have an account already. And if you don't, give me hashtag I don't. I do or I don't. Or let's make it simple. If you have it, give me a 1. And if you don't have it, give me a 2. So I just want to see a feel of how, like the distribution of people that have set up their TAW account. Let's get the engagement coming. We have a lot of people here. Just hope you guys are now commenting in another video. We did something like that last time, but this is the video of me when I was walking around the house this morning. Yeah, give me hashtag I do if you do. Let's see, the comments are coming in. Curvin, you don't yet. So if you don't, just click on the link below and just get it. Register it while we moving forward, so you can follow along. So what I did, I went ahead and logged into my account. Here's my account. And if I try to add a new website, it's going to prompt me to pick up a free plan. And you just have to click on the plan. And you don't have to put your credit card information or anything. Just activate your plan. What you want to do eventually is you want to move over to and upgrade your plan later on. And you have 1 year, you just don't want to forget, and your website is going to expire without you upgrading. So you can upgrade that later. And within the next 6 months, we might just give a plan with one website on. So if you want to just upgrade your one website, you're going to be able to do so. So let's go back to our first thing. Where is it? Yep, this one. So we're going to set up a new website on TAW using TAW theme. So what I have done here, I'm logging into my TAW. I'm going to go ahead and add a new website. Add a new website. Because TAW theme and TAW is integrated, whatever template you have on your TAW is going to, whatever template you have on TAW theme, you have purchased on TAW theme, is going to be available for use on your website, on your TAW. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and set up this, set up an HVAC website here. So I'm going to use that template. I'm going to go start. I just need to go here and enter my website setup. My name of the website, I'm going to put HVAC, Mo HVAC, right? It's like Mohammedi's HVAC. That's my website name. I'm creating a subdomain right now. So I'm going to do admin, use my information that I always use, automatically autofill. And I'm going to select the template. So this is my template. I'm going to click on it. And what it prompts me to do, it prompts me to enter my API key, my license key, right? So I'm going to go back to my TAW theme account. Where are we? Oh, I haven't opened my TAW theme account. Let me open my TAW theme account here. And I'm going to log out. I was logging as someone else, but I'm logging out. I'm going to log back in with my account, tawtheme@gmail.com. So I'm on my account. I'm just going to go to active templates. And this is the templates that I want to set up, right? It's a HVAC. This one, this key is already used. That's why it's red. This one is green. That means it's not used yet. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy my license key. Copy my license key. Go back to my TAW. This is what I'm installing. And I'm just going to paste it here and just click install. And that's it. Takes a couple of minutes. And we're going to have our website set up. Is it enough time to drink water? Let's see. All the magic is happening behind the scenes. I have this mixer. I haven't tried it. Oh, wow. Our website is live. I wanted to try the mixer. It comes with like different sounds. I can press a button and it'll make some type of sound. I wanted to try it, but I guess no time to try that. Our website is already live, literally less than 2 minutes. You know, when people ask me why TAW theme, I'll call it, it's hosting made real easy. You're gonna hear hosting made easy somewhere else, but when you say hosting made real easy, it's real easy. All of you guys here assume that you have a website that you have already installed on TAW theme one way or another, right? Like with the previous method that we have, and we're gonna, do that also tonight. But when you compare that to this, it's like, okay, you have a hosting platform. We don't have no random text on the screen distracting you, taking you to different places. Everything is just simple. Now I can just go here and open my website, and you see more HVAC at like .tawwphosting.com. That's my subdomain. So the website is live, my subdomain is live, and what I'm gonna do is I can go ahead and start editing my website. Just click on WP here, right? And you automatically log into your WordPress backend dashboard, and you can already start editing everything that you want to edit, right? This is home. I want to start editing my home. I can just come here and say no thanks and start editing things, right? This is Mohammadi's, you know, you guys already know this. We did this for a lot of templates. You can just go in and change everything that you want to change here, right? Everything. You just have to scroll over and change whatever you want to change, just a click away. Just a click away, you know. See all this stuff. You can change pictures, names. This is like one of the like the biggest accomplishment that I feel we was able to achieve with TAW theme is making like the templates very easy to edit, right? So from this home section, you can edit anything in the home section. You can save that, done, publish, and you can go to header. For instance, from here, change anything you want on the header section, right? Change the phone number, change the booking link, all this stuff, you can do it here. And the next thing is you can save that and go back to footer, right? The next thing is go to footer, and you can start changing anything you want on the footer, right? Like you can change your locations, you can change this menu bar here, you can update your social media links. If you have a disclaimer, you can put it here. And see, literally everything throughout the website, you can get it done. So let's say we went ahead and finished all our edits. Everything that we wanted to edit is done and it's good to go. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna just come back to our TAW WP, and we're gonna go ahead and change our custom domain. Like, now we wanna publish it. This was a subdomain. We don't want anybody to see the subdomain, so it's like only us. So now it's done, and we are ready to publish it, right? We are ready to publish it. Now what you just need to do is come here and put your domain name details, right? If it's like morehvac.com, you put morehvac.com here. And if you want people to be able to go to www.morehvac.com also and go to the domain, you can add the alias to. It's completely optional, up to you guys. But I would say just add it. You don't have nothing to lose. So you can add it. Actually, let me go ahead and go to GoDaddy and find a domain that we can do this on. GoDaddy. Before we do that, give me hashtag follow if you're following me so far. Give me hashtag follow if you're following me so far. Hashtag follow. I want to see a follow on the screen before I get going. Just to make sure that everybody's following, just go on Facebook and give me hashtag follow so I know all of you guys are following me. Follow. Ron, John, you guys can post in the Facebook group. If you don't have access to the Facebook group, just request. I have the Facebook group link below. You can request to join, and I would add you guys. So get the comments coming in here. Get the comments coming. Get the comments coming. I know this is a pretty late. Nice follow. I know this is pretty late because some of some of the people outside of the country. So we have a good attendance, but not the type of crowd that we would have gotten like during the day. So I had a really long day, a lot of things line up. So that's why I decided to do this pretty late. But the replay is here. That's why I was telling you guys to make sure you register on the YouTube channel so you can get a replay when it's launched. So everybody's following. So because everyone is following, we're gonna keep moving forward. I'm gonna go log in, go to products. I'm gonna just pick up the first domain that I see that I have not used. Boom, boom, boom. Am I using mtl.chat? Let me see. Let me just open it and see if it's in use or no. Oh, I think I already used it for something. So I'm not gonna use that. Let me go back to another domain. Let me just stop sharing my screen for a minute to pick up the domain. We have Mercedes trying to sell me a car. So let me just pick up the domain here that I'm gonna use. Okay. Yeah, this is just for a demo. What I'm gonna use a domain called Meet for Rent. I have this domain and it's just parked here. So I'm gonna use that domain just for the sake of this. Nobody's gonna have Meet for Rent for HVAC website, but I have that domain, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that domain. So I'm gonna share my screen again so you guys can follow the process. So I found my domain here. I call it's meetforrent.com. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go back to my TAW WP. My next steps are just custom domain, setting up the custom domain. So this is the, I just need to enter meetforrent.com. And then here, the alias is www.meetforrent.com, right? And connect your own domain, enter your domain name above and add the following DNS record to your domain control panel. Beautiful. So I'm gonna just copy this and publish my website. Now it's published. You see, now it's published. The URL automatically changed. See the difference? I set this up previously. Now the URL changed, but it's not connected yet because we need to go to GoDaddy and make sure we update our DNS. So I'm gonna come here, click on DNS, and we have this here. If you have a domain that you're not used, it's gonna have this parked here. And we're gonna go ahead and edit that. Instead of park, we're just gonna enter our IP address values here and just click on save, right? You can click on save, or here we can just put an hour or whatnot and just save. Right now, we are saving. So it says success, your DNS have been updated. Now we wanna add another air record because we have the www2. So we're gonna choose www and the same address, right? And we're gonna put in an hour as well and add a new record. Your odd names of domain, wildcard, missing data. Yeah, I guess we don't have to add it here. Is it something? Oh yeah, CNAME is automatically done. So we don't have to add this. Clear, GoDaddy automatically does it. But if you're using like Wix or Squarespace, you'd be required to do that, but GoDaddy automatically adds it. You see the CNAME automatically created. So we don't have to worry about that. And so now we can go ahead and there is this thing called DNS Checker. DNS Checker, just so we can check and make sure that our DNS is fully updated. So the website, what's the name of the website? So meetforrent.com, meetforrent.com, and we're gonna put it here. Search. You see, the air record is automatically updated already to our server. So if we go to meetforrent.com, guess what's going to happen? We're going to see our website fully live. In less than 5 minutes, we have built our website, meetforrent.com, and it's ready to go. But you see, it's not secure. So what we want to do, our next step is go and secure our website. And you're going to go back to your TAW WP account. And you're going to see a new thing that pop up here. It's not going to pop up until you activate this, right? For instance, you see down here, you're now going to see the security, like you know, the SSL portion, because it's still on the subdomain, and the subdomain is automatically secure. But here, the subdomain is connected, so this padlock is gray. We're going to make the padlock green now. So we're going to go to enable SSL, and we just turn it on and click submit. Take a couple of seconds, and our website is secure. I'm creating this so you guys, I'm going to do the auto version also, so you can see the contrast of everything. So now our website is fully secured, and we have https://meetforrent.com. And let's go back to our, our website here, and just refresh it, and we're going to see our padlock is going to show up now. Boom. So the padlock is here. It's activated. We have a website fully activated, and it's not done yet. It's not done yet. There is another feature, because we want to make sure our page speed is at best possible. You go here and enable a website booster and submit. Now the website booster is going to also activate. With this, what this is going to do is going to take your page speed to a minimum of 60 mobile, right? Because most of the time, with regular, if you're on SiteGround or these places, you get a page speed of mobile of 20, 30. But with this booster, it's going to take you to 60 mobile. And for desktop, you're going to get maybe an 80. So let's go ahead and just check it out for the sake. But what we have here, I'm going to show you that later. Page speed checker. Page speed checker, we're checking the page speed. It's going to take a few seconds here, but I want to, are you guys mind blown or what? Are you guys mind blown or what? After finishing the first section, are you guys mind blown or what? Give me hashtag mind blowing, mind blown if your mind is blown right now. Hashtag mind blown. Mind, I'm going to type it so you guys can copy and paste it if you feel blowing, mind blown. Mind blown, hashtag mind blowing. You can copy it and paste it as many times as you want, because I want to see the hashtag mind blown. If you're mind blown by this, give me as many hashtag mind blown as possible, so we can see the hashtag mind blowing taking over Facebook. So the people that didn't get to make it live would get all these notifications on their phone about all the mind blown. Get them coming. And let's go check our page speed. So right now you have a page speed of 51. With this, with the booster, it's going to take a good amount of minutes to really take effect. But with this, with this booster, you're gonna get a minimum of 60 mobile, and like a minimum of 80, 85 desktop. So what's gonna happen? We have another layer of booster that we configure manually, right? And I'm gonna show you a few people that already have that. And we're gonna test all the page speed also. So it's gonna be fun. We are already 30 minutes in. Yes, this is working as planned. Let's see if there's mind blowing. A lot of mind blowing coming in. Let's see. Okay, we see a lot of mind blowing. Okay, let's move forward. So what we did, we finished our first section, right? First section showed you how to set up a new website with the TAW theme template, right? We started from logging in, getting your TAW account, setting up, picking up your plan, adding a domain, activating your website booster. That's where we are now. The next version is for people that if you wanna use TAW hosting, but you don't intend to use a template from TAW theme, we give you that option as well, and that's what we're gonna cover here. So what you're gonna do is these are the steps. You're gonna add it. Go click on add a new website, and you're now gonna select any templates, and you're just gonna click install. Let's go do that. It's gonna take us like 2 minutes to do that, and we're gonna have a website live up and running. Boom. So let's go back to our TAW. Where are we? Okay, can we close these windows for now? Yeah, we can go ahead and close those because those websites is done. So here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a new website. Let's say this website, I'm gonna call it, Mohammadi HVAC, HVAC, right? Mohammadi HVAC, using the same details, right? Fill up all the details. And now I'm not going to select any templates. I'm just going to go ahead and click install theme. And I just click install. Website name is invalid. Okay, maybe I already used that name. Let me just refresh it and start from the top. If you already used the name, it's not going to let you do it because it's like one subdomain at a time. So let me say Mo HVAC, Mo HVAC. That should be fine. And I have my passwords and everything. Admin, account detail. I have admin, and I'm going to just go ahead and install. Website. The website name is selected. Website name is invalid. So let me see what's going on here. And guys, if you have questions, just feel free to post it, and I will answer those questions as soon as I'm done here. So let me see. HVAC is VAC websites. HVAC website. Hopefully that name would be valid. Only lower cases, letters A to Z. Oh, let me make sure we don't have space. Yeah, admin, everything is nice. And go install. So maybe we had a space or capital somewhere. So we just enter the name, enter your password and everything, and that's it. Boom. Just like that, we install our free vanilla WordPress website plain. So this is like the second way you can use it. And once you are here, you can just go ahead and log into your WP hosting account, and you can install the template and do whatever you want. And if you're not using TAW theme, you can install a template from somewhere else or anything else that you want to do. But you have your website hosting, everything done. And after you finish all the building, you can come set up the custom domain, and you're good to go. So this is the second portion. And if there is no, let me see in the chat here if there is anything new. Hello, Jason. Welcome on board. Mind blowing. I love it. I love the engagement, guys. Keep them coming. I'm going to do a giveaway tonight. I feel like giving away something tonight. So let's step up on the engagement, because I'm going to pick up something random. I'm not going to let you guys know, but the winner is going to be the person that did that exact thing. So let's go. Another thing is, okay, the third section. Where's the third section? Let me open this here. So we did this, how to set up TAW WP with a vanilla WordPress account. These are the steps. You can just connect your domain, add a record, point your domain name, activate your SSL, and activate your booster, and you have a domain. And now is moving your website to TAW WP hosting. That's the second part of this webinar, and we are right on that. We are 42 minutes in, right on that. The rest is going to take us 20 minutes, and we'll be will be done in exactly an hour. So this section there's two parts. The first part is deleting and reinstalling, and I'll tell you what I mean by that. I want people going to delete the websites. It's like, oh, he said delete it and then reinstall. No. So if you have installed a template, a TAW theme template, and you have not you have not changed the edits, or you did some edits and you feel like you want to start fresh, we allow you to delete it and use the same key again to reinstall the template. That's one of the amazing things that you can do with TAW WP. With TAW WP, you can delete your website if you have, let's say I have, let me go to my SiteGround, something from somewhere else. I'll go open my SiteGround here and look at the website SiteGround. I'm opening my SiteGround and I'm gonna just find it. Like most of you guys here, I think I have SiteGround accounts, agency@gmail.com. So I'm gonna pick up a website on my on my SiteGround account that I have not used much. So let's say, okay, out of these websites, let me say I'm gonna go use this one, graphicdesigndubai.com. I'm gonna look at it. Let's see what template I set up there. Oh, not this one. Not this one. Graphic Design Dubai. No, this one. Graphic Design Dubai. This is the one that I own. Right. Graphic Design Dubai. I set up the agency templates, the website design agency template there, but I haven't done anything with it. I was like, you know what? I want to move it to TAW theme. This is what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to copy the link first, right? This is Graphic Design Dubai. This is the one we own. I'm gonna copy it. Just go to you guys remember the website that we just set up? The vanilla WordPress. So we're just gonna go straight to the vanilla WordPress and just go ahead and update it. Update our custom domains, right? Custom domain, I'm gonna come here and put this Graphic Design Dubai and www.graphicdesigndubai, right? And I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna publish it, right? Mind you, I have not done anything. The website is still on SiteGround. It's hosted. So what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna go to my GoDaddy account and find this domain. So let me go back to GoDaddy and look through to find the domain. Website design. I have a bunch of domain here. Website design. Graphic design. It's graphic design, not website design. Graphic design, some more. Graphic design. What is it? Graphic. Do you guys see graphic? Graphic design. Interesting. I have it on this account, I think, not on another account. Graphic design. What's wrong with my eyes? Does anyone see it? Or maybe it's not on this domain. Okay, let me just see the domain name first. It's Graphic Design Dubai. Okay, Graphic Design Dubai. Maybe it's not on this account. It's maybe on my other account. But let me just browse through it for a second time and see. Maybe I need to eat something. Wow. Okay, let's see. I need some help here. Anybody with better eyes? Okay, so, or maybe it's on my other account, my personal account. Let me just go out. Sites, GoDaddy. Let me log out of here and log in with my personal account. Yeah, this is my personal account. Let's see. It should be here. No? Interesting. Oh, I didn't buy that domain. I don't think I did. I didn't. Oh, we was on a call with Molati from Dubai, and I'm here going crazy. So we're gonna have to get another domain because I don't own that domain. It's fine. It's a live webinar. These things would happen. So let me see what other domain I'm gonna use instead. Okay, I'm gonna use website design agency, Miami website design agency.org. Let me look at it. Miami website design agency.org. Hey, this is a free vanilla WordPress, but I want something that have a template for it to work. So another one is Miami website design agency.org. Do I have another one? Boom, 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 boom. The Miami website design agency. Let me see. No, this one is also plain. I haven't used this for anything. So let me see. Natural SEO, crypto investment insider, crypto secret investor. Let me look at this one. Okay, we're gonna do this one. It's like this is for crypto crypto secret investor. We have it on SiteGround, and we wanna move it to TAW WP. We wanna go to TAW WP and set it up. So I installed this. Ignore the name here, because this is, we're gonna assume that this is a what do you call it? An HVAC domain or crypto template. So this is what I'm doing. I'm updating. From the first thing that we did, I just changed it. Now I'm putting cryptosecretinvestor.com, and I publish that website and that domain instead. As you can see, like we had in the first time around, the website is still on, on SiteGround. It's on SiteGround. What we're gonna do, just gonna go to my GoDaddy and just update the name servers, right? I'm gonna go to DNS. Is it the same website? Miami website design agency.org. Oh, no, not Miami. I know we changed the domain. It's crypto secret investor. So let me go back and find that domain. Crypto secret investor. I need to start eating before these webinars. Crypto secret investor, crypto secret investor, crypto secret investor. Yep, this is crypto secret investor. I'm gonna go ahead and update the DNS. You see right now the DNS name server is set up to SiteGround. So what I need to do is change the DNS, right? And I want to use GoDaddy default DNS. So it's gonna change, right? Continue. And now it's gonna go back to default. I just have to refresh it, and I'll be able to add my air record. See, now I refreshed it, and the domain is automatically parked now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and update it, and go get our hosting, names, like coordinate a record value, copy it, go back here instead of park, and I'm just gonna paste this and then save. And what I'm gonna do, it's like it's been updated successfully, amazing. So I'm gonna copy the link again and go to DNS Checker to see if everything is updated as of yet already or not. Sometimes it's really fast. Yes, you see everything is updated, but you see you still see two numbers. This is hours, this is SiteGround. So I'm still waiting for, just have to wait for a couple of minutes while everything fully clears out. As the SiteGround goes away and hours take everything. So while we're waiting for that, let's say anybody have a question. Anybody have a question here? Let's see what's going on. Let me just look at the chat. Go through the questions here. Most relevant, most recent. Yeah. Most recent, mind blown, mind blown, mind blown. A lot of mind blowing. Phenomenal. Excited with the engagement, guys. Keep it rolling. Somebody mentioned me in the post here. Mohammed, I see the answer on the webinar. Great webinar. Nice. Amazing. Thank you, Ron. Let's get it rolling. Let me go back and check my DNS again and see how we're doing. You see, everything started to clear out, but we still have couple of them actually. Every 34 is SiteGround. So we still have few of them pending. So let's analyze what we have done so far while that is updating. So in this section is like you have downloaded you have installed your website on SiteGround with TAW W3 theme, and you wanna like you wanna delete it because you haven't done any work on it. The web template is still fresh or plain, you haven't used it at all. We allow you can delete it on SiteGround and move it here, and that's what we are doing exactly, right? So let's wait for a minute. Once it's fully activated, fully pointed, we can go ahead and activate our SSL. So do you guys, you think I should risk it and go ahead and start setting up, activating the SSL to see what's going to happen? Actually, let me refresh and see what's going to happen. It's still pointed for some reason. Let me get a incognito window, because if it's pointed, it's going to take us to our plain WordPress advanced. Yeah, it's pointing. It's pointing now. That's why. It's pointing now. Okay, let's wait. And one thing that I forgot to do, right? Like right now, if you're moving the website, one of the things that you can do to avoid the SSL issue, you can go to Site Tools, right, on your SiteGround, and you're gonna go to the domain, right, and you're gonna go to Security. Security Ssl Manager. You see it's activated. You can come here and delete it. If you delete it, it's gonna take the SSL out because you're moving the website anyway. But it's not the step that is really needed. We can just go ahead and use this without the SSL. And yes, our website is connected fully. You see, now we have the plain vanilla HVAC website, right? So from here, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and activate our SSL now, because we have it here. Let me refresh to make sure we have all the data backed in. We can go ahead and enable our SSL. Enable our SSL, and as soon as that is enabled, we have the URL that our website is initially installed on. See, now our SSL is activated, right? CryptoSecretInvestor.com. From here on, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to our TAW theme account, right? This is our TAW theme account, and we're gonna go to Active Themes. Active Themes, we know it's a crypto template, right? It's one of these. You see, I have 1, 2, 3, but chances are that you only have one of them, right? You have all these keys are used, but the secure investment, the secret investor, this is it, right? You see, it shows that I activated this website on the 30th, right? So this is the key that I had for that. So I'm going to be able to use the key as long as the URL is the same. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy the key. And guess what? We're going to go back and do the same thing that we did before. Let me just delete a lot of these windows so we can clear things out as much as possible. Oops, I don't want to show a lot of stuff I have here, but I'm deleting it. Okay, so this is where we are. I'm going to open my editor, right? Login, secret investor, login into my admin, right? Remember me and get going, right? Now we are on our WordPress admin. I'm going to go ahead, see TAW theme, install. You see none of this template is activated. Oh, let's see what's going on. I'm still on the there is still cache. So I'm going to log out because it still shows that this template is installed, but it's not, you know. It still shows that it's installed because we have cache here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it on another complete different browser to be able to do it efficiently. Or you can just go change your cache, right? Username, Crypto Investment Insider. Let's see what's going on. Okay. The cache. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna just go flash up my cache here to make sure all the caches is out. Boom, boom, boom. Appearance. We're gonna come here, data, privacy, cookies and site data. We're gonna go here and what do we do? Search. Oh, not here. Delete cleaning data like cache. We're gonna clear the cache. Clearing the cache, it's gonna take just a couple of minutes to clear up. And let's go back and try to log in and see. It's like not letting us get in. Okay, seems like our cache is still there. Now the website is no longer up here. Oh, okay, let me just go to a new browser and log in with my TAW theme, my TAW WP there. So we can avoid all the cache. TAW WP hosting, log in. So we log in from here and we're gonna go here. You see now it's because I'm in a brand new browser, I don't have to worry about the cache. So if you're facing what I was facing, you can just go straight to the cache. So I click from there and I'm on my brand new fresh vanilla WordPress. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just install the TAW WP hosting. So I'm gonna go here. No, not TAW WP hosting, the TAW theme plugin. Like this is the old way we used to do it. Now, because we want to use the template that we have already used in the past, we need to use the old way. So I'm downloading the plugin here, and guys, this is not sour grapes. They're always not sour grapes. It's still the best way to install a WordPress website out there, right? But now we graduated out of that school. We are here to grow. We are here to upgrade and keep changing things, until we make it as easy as possible for everybody. So I'm logging in here to my TAW theme account. So I'm logged into my TAW theme account, and as you can see, this is the template, all right? Just gonna click on install template. Now I need my old key. right? And I'm gonna go to active templates, old key. We want to make sure that if you don't like, I have a bunch of sites that I've bought and used, but you're gonna only see the couple of templates that you have if you only have purchased few. I believe it was this one, right? Crypto, no, this crypto affiliate program, maybe this one. Crypto, no. What's going on? Okay, first one. No, it's this one here. Yeah, crypto secret investor, right? You're gonna look at it, make sure this is the one. Secret investment insider. Oh no, secret, crypto secret investor, and you just copy your key, come paste it, and then install. And it just starts. This is our old way to do things, and this is how that works. And I think we are right on that. It's 9 a.m. 9 p.m. 9:04. We have a little bit of time to finalize this aspect. Loading. Let me look at the chat box in the meantime. Oh, I don't have to leave. So this is done, and we have refreshed our template completely. We have refreshed our template completely. We bought the key one time. You don't have to buy a key again. You want to move it over to TAW WP. That's it. Now we move our website from SiteGround to TAW WP. And we know it's like, okay, now it's on our accounts. We have our website, cryptosecretinvestor.com here, and beautiful. So this is the third way that you can do it. If you guys are following me, give me hashtag follow so we can keep on moving. So we did the first one, we did the second one. I'm gonna send this PDF to all of you guys, the handout to all of you guys, so you're gonna have it. And this is what we did: delete and reinstall. That's what we did right now. And we activated our SSL. Let's go activate our booster now. And here, migration, we're gonna talk about migration in a minute. But before we do that, we're gonna go to the chat and see how everybody's doing. Guys, if this webinar is epic, give me hashtag epic. Give me hashtag epic, because I feel like we are really, this webinar is fully jammed and fully packed with just a ton of clarity. Boom. Amazing. Renee, we'll figure it out. Like, just let it rest for tonight, because when you start requesting OTPs, you just miss, like, it's like you just miss one slot, right? Because if you don't see it and you request another OTP, the system keeps generating, and by the time that you request another one, the other one is expired, and it just keeps you on the loop. So what you want to do is just let it be right now, or just use another email if you have another email, and just go ahead and register. Okay, so let me look at the comment here. Guys, you want to get me pumped? Give me some amazing comments. Most recent. Epic, epic, epic. I see a lot of the epics coming. Amazing, amazing. Let's keep going. So you have seen we have walked over the three options, right? Delete and install, brand new, all that stuff, right? Now we are at the migration part. Migration part, when we launched our theme last, couple of weeks ago, we did a video about the migration using all-in-one migration, right? But that plugin had an issue of compatibility with our theme. So what happened is we have had a couple of hiccups with that plugin, right? Because we need to really look into every website that is exported to make sure that the website is, is healthy pretty much. And all-in-one WP did not allow us to do the all-in-one migration, did not allow us to do that properly. So we had a little situation that happened a couple of weeks ago. So we decided to just ban that plugin for forever, right? So all-in-one migration is now going to be able to, you're not going to be able to use that anymore to do the migration. And in the meantime, we're working behind the scene to give you a very efficient way to do it. And right now it's a little bit technical, and I don't want to show you guys that portion because it's gonna, confuse a lot of people even more. So we decided to create this page speed optimization, website migration, and page speed optimization project. And for $49, literally close to $0. This is literally close to $0. For $49, we're gonna go ahead and migrate your website over. My team will migrate your website over to TAW WP from whichever host you currently have, and optimize your website speed as well. Optimize your website speed. The booster that you have seen is gonna, optimize your website speed to a certain extent. Let's go back and check what we had before, right? This is what we have checked before. We had 51 and 81. Let's refresh it and see how much it's going to take it to with that booster. That booster is going to get you to 60 and 85s, like high 80s. But what you want to take it to 95. And this is what I'm going to show you guys that in just a few, and we're going to wrap up. So while that is loading, I'm going to show you guys, you see now it's 55 and 94. So the boost, we was at how much was we before? 80 something. If you're watching the replay, you can just go back. Now we cannot go back. I don't remember. Who remember the number that was here? Right, we had 80 something. Now with the booster, it takes it to 94. And here it's the mobile is still 55, right? So what we have like another layer of booster that is done manually. And that layer of booster is, I built it into the package of the migration. Let me see, maybe somebody remember the number. Let's see. Even the TAW team booster, the TAW WP booster alone, give you in the high 90s, gets you to the 90. It was 81. From 81 to, Melanie, you have a good memory. I don't even remember that. So from 81 to 95 or 94, right? We gain like 13 plus. And from 51 to 55, we gain like 4 plus on mobile. We have an extra layer of let me go back to sites. We have an extra layer of booster, and you'll be able to get like the high 95s. And Melanie, I think Melanie, you got that, you created that project, right? To have your website migrated and optimized. So with that plan, you're going to be able to get your website optimized. Like we're going to check your website and see, what plugin do you have that is not, necessary. Clean your website up, right? As far as plugin goes, make sure nothing there is not used, and weighing your website for no reason. We're going to do that, and we're going to migrate it to TAW WP and optimize your speed so you'd be in the high 90s in mobile and high 90s in desktop as well. So what you want to do is you're going to go to TAW theme and go to projects. You're going to go to project, and you can come here and add a new project. You're going to select the project is for self, and you're going to select the project type. Project type, you're going to see website optimization and migration. Website optimization and migration, and this is for $49. Could have put it for 200 or whatnot, but I just put it as low as possible so everybody here can go and get that. So for $49, you just put your website name. Like I would say, if I wanted to do this, I would be like TAW, what is it? Crypto investment insider, right? .com, like migration. You can put your website .com or whatnot. .com migration. .com migration. Boom. You can just type the project name like this. migration. When I'm hungry, I cannot even type. Okay. Yep. Let's say this is my website. Be like cryptoinvestmentinsider.com migration, and you're gonna provide us with your, your WordPress login details. WordPress login, right? Username and password. User and password. Username, password, and your hosting login. Hosting login. If it's SiteGround, you can just put SiteGround, the name here. SiteGround, and SiteGround, and I have like, I don't know if I should say this in a webinar, but SiteGround, I don't like SiteGround much because they send them a lot of people and they didn't pay my affiliate commission. So it's personal. I know it's funny, but yeah, it's personal. Now we have our own hosting and we want to compete with SiteGround. So you just do something like this. I'm just gonna add it in the sheet, so you guys gonna have access to that. Right? This is the sheet. Create a project, and this is the detailed. Oh no, let me just. This is the details that you're gonna copy and just add in the project tab, like this. How can, oh, there's a lot of things going on. I'll make it as small as possible so everything can fit in one place. Oh, why is there so much space? Yeah, you know what I mean? Maybe I'll type it better. I'll type it better so all of you guys can have it. Okay, yeah, simple. Just copy this and just go add your details and post it in the comments, and that's it. Pretty much you go create a project and we will move it over. Melanie, I think Melanie got the Melanie, you got the thing, right? You got that plan, right? Yes, I did. Now I'm trying to add my content. There is nothing on the website as of yet. It was well worth it, the $49. Right? So for $49, my team would go ahead and do it. Melanie, you want to drop your website link so we can test your page speed and show people? Just drop your website link so everybody can see. I think people in the replay is gonna really enjoy this. People in the replay are gonna really enjoy this. Next page. Oh, your page was showing 40. Oh, nice. It was 45, 40. Around, it was 45, 40. Now it's this thing. So Melanie, drop your link so I can just check it out quickly. Yeah, if you don't want to drop it, it's fine. It's fine. I think I have June's website. We tested June's website also a couple of days ago. Let me just refresh this just for curiosity purpose because it's keep going up. Okay, Melanie, I think Melanie dropped her link. Nice. Boom, boom, boom. Amazing. So let me go ahead and check Melanie's page speed. Google page speed. Page speed. We're gonna check Melanie's page speed. Oh, the hosting. Okay, it's the different. Run the original domain. Is it the www or the regular one? Let me just see. Oh yeah, you see 99 mobile, and desktop 99. Are you guys, who doesn't want 99? I want 99. You know, Melanie, how do you feel when you look at your website and the website speed is 99? 99 mobile, 99 desktop. You know, is the $49 worth it? Most definitely. You know what I'm doing right now. It's pretty much giving every one of you guys a free WP hosting, WordPress hosting for the full year. It's worth maybe 100, right? So you definitely can go ahead and take advantage of it. Boom, 99 is insane, right? Jason? Yeah, definitely. You should definitely move your website as well, Jason, so you can get the 99. I think this who June also did it, and she posted it in the group. Let me just see if she had her website link as well here. Let me just see if she have her link here, so we can look into that as well. You can look at test June's website's page speed. And June posted it. I like what June said. June created a hashtag. It's funny. Every day we're gonna see a new hashtag on TAW theme. There was a hashtag yesterday. Chris said "towsome." Towsome. That's a nice hashtag. Hashtag towsome. Guys, give me a hashtag towsome. Give me a hashtag towsome. I cannot even say it right. But it's exciting. Where's June post? Oh yeah, here is June post. June is like, it's 3 a.m. in the morning, and I am finally at my width and trying to move two websites from SiteGround to Tower WP. I know it's not going well. When I started getting 404 not found and park domain error message. It's early, but I take chance anyway and clicking 24-hour support at the bottom ticket, and much my surprise, there was normal live on the other side. After a few questions, he said he would take care of it and it would be done within the next 24 hours. I thanked him and went to bed. Just after 9 a.m., a message text shows up from Mohammadi that tells me that my two websites have been transferred and uh, I should check them. The website speed went from 25 mobile and under 67 desktop, respectively, before I transferred to 97 mobile and 100 desktop on both sides. Results: my website moved from no speed to maximum speed just by moving them onto the TAW WP platform. TAW WP hosting plus TAW support equal speed optimized website, another major piece of the puzzle just into place. Amazing feedback, June. I really appreciate it. Looking at this type of feedback really make me feel good, and know that all the hard work have been worth it. Because sometimes you spend all day just trying to figure something out, have to stay up late, the team have to stay up late, just working to be able to make the process as seamless as possible for you guys. Let me see. I don't have June's website link URL on top of my head. I wanted to run it as well. But if you haven't, now we're at 61 with the hosting with this. 61, and let's see what's going to be on desktop spending. Yeah. But if you want to get it in the high 90s, the booster is going to do a job of getting it to minimum of 60 mobile and desktop 90, 90, 92, 91. But if you want to put it at maximum speed and you need some help moving over your website, go ahead and go and create this project, right? I have the detail for $49, and the team would go ahead and take care of it Few of you guys already got it, and Melanie was one of these people. Anybody else here got the website speed thing, like website transfer, migration, and transfer? If you did also, you can drop your URL and we'll check it as well for people. Before I do that, let me go back to YouTube and see if we have any new members here. We have, a couple of people subscribed. Who here have not subscribed yet? If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm gonna pick up the winner there for the bonus that I have for today. If you have not subscribed, you have the link. If you don't have the link, ask for the link and I will drop it to you. And we're gonna wrap up. I'm gonna pick up the winner and we're gonna wrap up the webinar. In the meantime, if you think that this webinar was epic, we did epic already, right? What other hashtag should we do? Oh, if you think this webinar was awesome, give me hashtag #1000 so we can get that hashtag also trending. Give me hashtag #1000. Jason started the trend. I'm gonna follow through with 1000 and we're gonna get it going. So give me hashtag #1000 so we can get it going. And if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, just click on the link and subscribe. And I'm gonna pick up the last winner there so we can get this rolling. Thank you everyone for attending. This is really nice. I always like this type of session. I get to catch up with a lot of you guys all at once, and at the same time leverage the opportunity to be able to show a lot of detail, like break a lot of bottlenecks for people, right? So we can keep on moving. You don't want to get stuck. If you get stuck, drop your questions and we're here to reply them. And right now, TAW WP is free. Go ahead and create your account at least, even if you're gonna put a test website so you can experience it, this fast speed, all the like the interface. We can create complicated interfaces, but I just keep it as clean as possible. Nothing here. You're gonna see nothing's gonna distract you. For example, you're on your site here. If you go to SiteGround sites, right? Go to dashboard. This is SiteGround sites. You go here, it's sites. You see a lot of stuff, a lot of colors, like what's going on here, right? So we made it as simple as possible to create a really nice contrast. You come here, you just see, you wanna go to your WP, click here, you go to your WP. You want more, you can click here. You wanna see your website credential, you just click on here and click on this, and you're gonna see your website login details, and you can copy and send it to someone if you want to, right? And you click here, you can see your custom domain details. You can enable your booster, and if you want to delete your website, you can go ahead and delete it here. So the interface is very simple. You have the support section. If you have a support ticket, you just click, takes you to TAW theme support section, and you can go ahead and just leave your put website support and just create a support ticket. And if you want to get templates, you just click on templates, you go to TAW theme and purchase your templates. And if you want to check out your accounts, you can see your account details here. Your profile, right? Your profile details, your information, and you can go get your payment details as well. And one thing that I haven't told you guys, if you go to prices, you can pay the monthly for an individual plan for 5 websites. You can get an individual plan and you have a 15 days free trial. So you can already geek up on it. And after 15 days, you will get charged. You're not going to get charged right away. So that's amazing. So you can get to experience everything. And if you decide to go with the yearly plan, it's $249 and you save 2 months. Instead of $300, $349 or something, it's gonna be $249. What do you call it? $249, yeah. And you have 2 months free for that. And this is the professional plan that give you up to 10 websites, and the agency plan that give you up to 25 websites. and we have something really nice cooking behind the scenes that's going to show you how you can really make a good amount of money with this. You want to know how I charge my clients for hosting? Every website, I charge my clients $360 a year for hosting. $360 a year, $30 a month for hosting. Times that by 25, but 30 times 12, that's 360 times how much? Times 12. Times 12? No, 360 times 25, right? Times 25. It's $9,000. You get 25 people hosting the website with you. It's $9,000, and you only pay $1,000. So you have $8,000 profits, like in just hosting alone. Not talking about website design and all of that stuff. And currently working on putting something nice together that all of you guys gonna get to take advantage of. We have an affiliate program. Spoiler alert, coming very soon. It's closer than you think, and you're gonna be able to literally make a bunch of money just referring TAW WP hosting to your clients and to friends and business partners and so on and so forth. So with that being said, let's go. Let me check the YouTubes here and see. Boom, pick up somebody random from here, and we're gonna give the Renee. I'm gonna give you a free migration. You have your website, let me know. We're gonna do a free migration for you so you can get a 99 page speed like June, like Melanie. Just send me a DM and I would have you set up and going. Thank you everybody for attending. I'm super excited. If you think that this webinar was epic and you learned a lot, just go on in the Facebook group and say something about the webinar, right? So everybody that missed it can feel jealous, right? And they're going to make sure they show up next time, even if it's at 12 midnight, or they're going to make sure they're in the front seat waiting for the replay to be released. So with that being said, take care, guys. I love all of you. Keep on building, keep on pushing, and stay safe. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. I know it's like there's a heat wave going on wherever you are. If there's a heat wave, protect yourself and protect your family, because we have a lot of work to do. The job haven't even started yet. We're going to start building a lot together. So I'm excited for like the future ahead of us, and I think that it's going to be a lot of fun for all of us to enjoy. So bless up, enjoy the rest of your day. See, it's like dark outside now. We started when it was light, now it's dark, but this was great. I'm excited. See you guys in the group. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.